Yo, Tim Desert Storm Bradley, boxing Hall of Famer. You already know what it is. Yo, let me recap this Pacquiao fight, man. It wasn't even a fight. It was a bona fide sparring session. That's what it was.
Grabe ka naman, Bradley. Sparring session lang talaga, ha? E ano naman kaya mangyari kay Mario Barrios kung nag-engage siya kay Pacquiao? Hindi kaya siya matulad sa'yo? Ganyan, parang sumemplang?
Barrios, yes, you're the champion still, bro. You're not going to have us belts that long. Seriously, man. You showed so much compassion inside that ring with Manny Pacquiao, bro. So much respect, bro. Touching gloves beforehand, touching gloves through the course of the night. Oh, I'm sorry, bro. Like, man, what kind of mentality do you have, brother? You was in there supposed to take this legend out, bro. You supposed to put this legend on your resume, bro. You know what I mean? And you fought like he was your brother-in-law, bro.
Ay nako, Bradley, kung magsalita ka, para ka talagang walang experience kay Pacquiao. Alam mo naman ang mangyayari sa'yo pag nag-engage ka kay Pacquiao, di ba? Ayan, oh. Nag-engage ka kay Pacquiao, eh. Knockdown ka. Di ba? Pag nag-engage ka kay Pacquiao, panigurado yan. May kalalagyan ka talaga. Nag-engage ka, eh. Kita mo? Kung hindi ka nag-engage, hindi ka matatamaan. Kaya yun ang ginawa ni Mario Barrios. Hindi siya nag-engage. Lalo na nung natikman niya na yung kamao ni Pacman. Abay, sabi niya, ang lakas pala ng kamao nitong matandang ito. Tingnan mo. Pakinggan mo dito sa interview kay Mario Barrios.
Mario, congratulations, brother, on a great fight, man. Just how would you compare Pacquiao's power to like a Gervonta Davis?
I know you enjoyed the fight. But I thought
I don't compare power like a lot. No, Pacquiao could definitely crack. Tank can definitely crack. It's one of the few fights where I've touched the canvas. But yeah, that old man is strong as fuck.
Ito pa, Bradley. Yung mga boxers na nag-engage kay Pacquiao. Anong nangyari sa kanila? Kaya si Mario Barrios talagang ginamit niya yung utak niya. Dahil alam niya na pag siya nag-engage kay Pacquiao ay panigurado may kalalagyan siya. Eto pa isa,
Final 10 seconds of round 1 and House opening round.
If he beats the count, as we get to the final 30 seconds, better than I thought.